day everyone, and welcome back to What Cannot School YouTube channel. We are going to talk about needs of animals. So, as you can see in our home, there are a lot of animals like this. This is, may I introduce to you everybody, students, this fish's name is Coco, alright? And as we all know that animals are living things. So therefore, living things need different things in order for them to live and survive. So we are going to talk about needs of animals. Okay, so let's begin everybody. Number 1, animals need water. Number 2, animals need food. Number 3, animals need air. Let us have a very short exercise to test your skills if you really understood what we talked about. Let's begin. What do animals need? This is number 1. As you can see, we have a monkey eating a banana. So, and I intentionally covered the sentence here. Students, you have to tell me, what do animals need? I'll just count 3 seconds, and after that, you have to give me the answer. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is animals need food. So your answer is correct. Now, let's move on to the second picture. This is our number 2. Number 2 is this. This one. So as you can see, I have here a fish in the picture, and you see bubbles there or oxygen. So let me ask you again, what do animals need? I'll just count again, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The answer is animals need air. Your answer is correct. Okay, and we have here the last one. Okay, the last one is this one. Okay, let me get it. Our fish is very hungry. So, let's have the number 3. This will be the last one, students. I'll cover again the sentence. So, as you can see in my picture, there are a few zebras and they are drinking. So, you have to answer the question again. What do animals need? 3, 2, 1. Exactly correct. Your answer is correct. Animals need water. Okay, there you go, students, our lesson for today to wrap up everything. So we talked about the needs of animals again. So we have 3 needs of animals. Number 1, animals need food. Everybody say animals need food. Correct. Number 2, animals need water. Correct. And number 3, animals need air. Your turn. Very good. So, that's it, everybody. Students from grades 1 to 3, see you again in our next video. Bye!